friends, I'm Stephanie Hansen. Welcome to my YouTube channel from stephaniesdish.com. Today we are going to make a stuffed crust pizza, and it's going to take a couple of steps, but I've started with these Rhodes dough balls. These are really versatile and easy to work with. I have a couple different pizza recipes with them, and I really like it. So I've got a can of stewed tomatoes, and you could use cut tomatoes. You could even use sauce if you wanted to. And to that, I'm gonna add a clove of garlic, and then I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of oregano. All right, and I like it a little spicy, so I'm gonna add a little bit of hot pepper flakes. And I'm just gonna give this a quick zhuzh with my immersion blender here. If you want it a little thicker, you could add some tomato paste to it, but I think it's gonna be great. So that is our sauce. I'm also going to show you how we're going to roll out these rolls. I'm gonna go ahead and roll them out right on my counter. They're gonna deflate a little bit, that's fine. So I'm rolling these so that I can get, like I said, about a 14-inch circle. Okay, and I think that should do it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the dough on my pizza round. Gonna just work with it and get it kind of spread out here. Feel free to use your hands too. Now what we're gonna do is I've taken cheese sticks, and I am making a hot pizza, spicy one. So I've taken hot pepper cheese sticks, and I'm going to lay them around the edge here that I'm gonna fold over the crust. I'm gonna go ahead now and roll the dough over the cheese stick and press it down so that it makes a sealed compartment for that cheese to stay encased in. Okay. For our toppings, we have our sauce that we made. Okay, I'm gonna put some pepperoni. I'm gonna put some cheese, and then what's gonna make it super fun is when it's done, I'm gonna give it a little hot honey drizzle. I'm doing the cardinal sin of using pre-shredded cheese, which you never should do because it's got caking agents in it. But when you're making pizza, usually you can cheat. Right, so that looks like we've got plenty of cheese. Get our pep on there. Get a little pep in our step. All right, so nice pep. And I'm gonna put this in a 450-degree oven for about 10 minutes before I check it. So I'm just gonna cut up a few thinly sliced jalapenos, fresh ones. You could use pickled too. You could even use pepperoncini. I'm gonna lay those down. She is getting ready to go in the oven. Okay, guys, here is our stuffed crust pizza. And I'm just gonna do a real light layer of hot honey. I like this ghost honey. It's hot, but it's also delightful. So I'm just gonna do a real light drizzle. All right, so there we go. Hot honey. Now we're gonna go ahead and give it a zhuzh. Gooey cheese in the middle, of course. But what do we have going on in the sides? Can you see that in there? You've got the hot honey on the top, and you've got the hot pepper cheese inside. Okay, that looks real good. You guys, this is spectacular. The hot honey is incredible. We've got a little bit of spice in the sauce. This is like my new favorite pizza. Holy cannoli, is it good. Got the recipe at stephaniesdish.com.